Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Lenovo Yoga Book 9. In order to factory reset it, this video is gonna be for those that know the password to their accounts, because if you don't know your account password, then you can't access the system, and this video is gonna be through the system. So if you wanna do it without knowing the password, then you can watch a video on our channel on how to install Windows from USB on this laptop, so that will for sure help you. And there are different troubleshooting in that video as well, so everything should go well if you follow that video. But if you know the password, then this method is gonna be much simpler and less problematic, and also a bit more trusted, since it won't uninstall any drivers during that method, and you probably will use it if you're planning on selling your laptop, but also if something's not working properly, you can also use it. So let's begin by going to settings, then Windows Update, now advanced options, and select recovery, then find Reset PC. Click on the Reset PC button and you can select whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. And before we continue, make sure that your laptop is plugged in, even if it's at 100% right now. Still plug it in, because it may discharge pretty quickly during that reset process, since at some moments it won't optimize the battery usage, so it really can discharge pretty quickly. And now I'm gonna select remove everything, because this is a standard reset. Keep files just is used when something's corrupted, but you want to keep your files, but just remove apps and settings to see if it'll work. And I'm gonna select the full reset. Then you can select cloud download or local reinstall. I'm always selecting local reinstall. I've never used the cloud download. I don't think that it's worth it. It just takes more time and uses your data. So if you have a limited plan, then for sure don't select that. But if you want the newest updates during that reset process, then you may select it. I'm gonna go with the local reinstall, so it takes less time. And then in change settings, there will be a very important setting, which is clean data. And why it's important is because if you select it, it will take much longer, maybe even hours, but will make your drive fully clean, which will make it much harder to recover that data later. So I would highly recommend selecting that option if you're planning on selling your laptop. But if you're not, like me, then leave that unselected if you want to make it quicker, but it'll be less secure, just so you know. I'm gonna confirm it, then click on next. Now wait for a few seconds and click on reset. By the way, please make sure that your laptop is plugged into charging. And now it'll start doing everything, so you can just leave your laptop like this and wait until it restarts. It'll probably restart 3 to 5 times during that process, and then it'll go into setup if you've selected to remove everything, or if you've selected to keep your files, then it'll go into system, but probably won't have a password, so it's worth adding a password afterwards. And now, as we can see, we are in the setup, so the reset process was just completed. If you want to know more about the setup process, you can also watch a video on it on our channel. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.